Hello everyone, today we got a iPhone XS Max. LCD is broken and it's not turning on. Let's hope so it's only the LCD problem. We're going to open it and see what is happening. So there are two screws here, and if you want to take out the SIM reader, take it out, and then we're going to put it on hot plate and heat it up. If you don't have hot plate and normal hot air station 250, heat all around. Be careful on the edges, it has glue, so you have to properly heat it up. Once the screws are open and it's heated up, you can put something like a tweezer or anything right at the edges to pull it out. Once slightly gone in, it's gonna open like a book, same as the other iPhones. It has adhesive, so be careful if you are unable to open it. Heat up more. We have to be careful about the top flexi, which is your speaker flexi, and your Face ID and everything is connected with it, so be careful about that. It's gonna come here right on the top. I'm gonna heat up a little bit more. If it is hot enough, it comes out easy. Okay, so now we're going to, one flexi is this, one flexi is this flexi has to be removed, and plus the battery. So let me open the screws. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 screws. Align the screws properly with each other so you don't struggle later on to put the right one onto the right place. Now we're going to remove these plates. Use a plastic tool to remove the battery and the screen connectors. Both screen connectors are out. Somewhere here is a battery. This looks like battery. Yeah, that's a battery, and there is the speaker flexi is going here. You gotta be careful with the speaker flexi because it should have glue stuck to it, and it has glue. And the camera, it's connected with the camera flexi, so be careful when you're removing this, otherwise you can damage any of the flexi. And these phones, they don't work with other cameras, you gotta have their own cameras. So LCD is out. Now we're going to put another LCD and test it quickly, but you're going to remove 1 2 3 screws for your speaker and everything. We'll just remove it now. Okay, so the phone has some other problem. It never switched on with the new LCD also. So when you are changing the LCD, we gotta remove these 3 screws, and be careful with this thing when you are removing it. Just put a little bit heat on it so the flexi doesn't break of the speaker. This is the speaker flexi. So here you gotta heat up and pull it up with the tweezer. If you have soft tweezer, that plastic one, that would do. Otherwise be extra cautious when you are removing it. Then we are going to put back the LCD connectors first. You can hear that click sound. Then we're going to put the speaker flexi back, speaker and front camera. Here you have to be extra cautious, you know, it's on a very awkward place. And remember the glue sticky thing. And in the last we're going to put the battery. I have to repair the phone. I will see what is the problem. Then if I figure out the fault, then definitely I'll make a video about it also. This plate goes there, the other plate goes here. You possibly can't put it wrong way because it has its own shape. This one I'm putting wrong. Yeah, so it goes. Accidentally remove the back camera. So here comes the 3 screws. This plate goes here, all the screws go back, and then you simply, I'm just going to show you how to close it. You can use the new adhesive if you have, otherwise you can use B7000. The phone won't be any more waterproof, so tell the customer that also, that it's not 100% waterproof. This is how you press it and it goes in, and your LCD work is done. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, give me watch time, share the video. Until next time, goodbye.